Hi everyone, what is the tip today? Here you go. First ஒரு image cut out பண்ணிட்டேன். Then I take one more duplicate. Then select the layer. Go to effect, blur and motion blur. To giving more detail, I take two more duplicates the layer. Then select all those layers. Ctrl E to merge it. Then add layer mask. Select gradient, default color black and white. Liner gradient. And drag to mask it right side area. To give more detail, select brush and reduce opacity, default color black and mask it outside. So this is how you can create speed effect in Photoshop.